would swallowing a few pinches of baking soda with a swallow of water help to brush sooner?
So I'm assuming what the caller may be asking, it may be related to one of the other questions that we talked about earlier, when you have acid reflux, because or it is very possible maybe after you eat something kind of sugary or something acidic. Now maybe they're asking, and from what I definitely see that they were thinking, oh, I ate something sugary, now I got some acid in the mouth, so can I go immediately use the baking soda to neutralize the acid with, and now they can start brushing the teeth.
Yeah. So that may have been related to that question.
Yeah, so that's what I think they're asking. So the answer is, like, you don't have to rush. Really don't have to rush. My recommendation is, because you really don't know what is the chemical effect, like, so you don't want to put a lot of chemicals. And my recommendation is, you can definitely use a baking soda, but don't rush into trying to override the mother nature a lot, because if this is something that you're going to keep doing on a regular basis, you may cause some damage.